Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2005, The Wishes, a magical gathering of Disney dreams, nighttime spectacular, was introduced at Disneyland Paris. A similar show premiered at Walt Disney World in 2003 before making its way to Paris. Wishes was hosted by Jiminy Cricket and focused on the deepest desires of a variety of Disney characters, both good and bad. The version in Paris ran during the summer for 3 years until it was replaced by the Enchanted Fireworks in 2008. But the first version was released in 2005 on this day, which was 20 years ago. Did you see it? Did you love it? I haven't got a clue. Anyway, have a magical day.